Mustang Coupe.
My daughter imitates me in the auctions when I was at McCormick's. And I was saying, sold! And I put my arm back and put my leg up, and she imitates me. It's really cute. Love my girls. 57 Chevy, everybody knows that. There it is. 39,750. Lot number 962. From what I understand, guys, they move cars here, so if you're interested, act quick, and if you would, please tell them MustangMedic sent you. I'm not getting anything for this, guys. All I'm doing is just showing you a lot of love about cars. And when I do make money on things, I'll always tell you. I'm not going to deceive you in any way, nor will I misrepresent anything to sell something. You're always going to see it straight from MustangMedic. There's a lot of people that do not want me to do videos of their cars because I'm going to point out everything that's wrong with it. But the ones that do, straight shooters, and they will showcase their cars. Oh, Fox Body fans, this is tucked away. Look at this monster. Look at this monster. A little bit in the paint, but look at that. Wow. '90 Ford Mustang Coupe. Somebody's been racing. Somebody's been racing. Wait a minute.
It looked fine the way it was.
I'm gonna leave that on just because that's funny. Now, say it again. What you just said to me.
This car has a $18,000 paint job on it by Lichty Brothers. They're about 9 miles from here.
Right now they're thinking, Will, show the car. Why are you talking? All right, here's the paint job.
Because we're better looking.
Oh! I like Ed. Here we go. And that's a Plymouth, what is that, Ed? Plymouth
Sport Fury.
Sport Fury, that's a rare car.
One of the longest production cars ever made.
Really?
Yeah.
But it's still somewhat rare, right? I mean, I haven't seen these. Not that I am an expert on seeing every car, but you know what I mean. This is a great painted top.